Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are good. So students, today we are going to do chapter 13, Jahan Pahiya Hai. It means where is the wheel. So let's look into the mind map. Jahan Pahiya Hai, where is the wheel? P. Sainath is the author of this chapter. Pudukkottai, Tamil Nadu. Pudukkottai is a village which is in Tamil Nadu. Fatima, Jamila or Avakani, these all are the three ladies in this chapter, and Fatima is the main character in this chapter, and she is a teacher in a secondary school. पुडुकोट्टई की 1500 महिलाएं, वुमेन ऑफ पुडुकोट्टई, 1500 वुमेन ऑफ पुडुकोट्टई प्रशिक्षण शिविर, दैट इज कॉल्ड साइकिल ट्रेनिंग सेंटर. गंदी गंदी टिप्पणियाँ, इट मीन्स बैड कमेंट्स. साइकिल आंदोलन, साइकिल मूवमेंट और साइकिल कैंपेन ऑल्सो यू कैन से. इन द लास्ट, इन 1992 अंतर्राष्ट्रीय महिला दिवस, the Women International Day of 1992. So students, in this chapter author talks about a cycle movement through this article and how women in Pudukkottai is a village in Tamil Nadu. Earlier it was a village, but now these days it is a famous district in the region of Tamil Nadu, and how they make the wheel of the cycle as a movement, and how they become independent, self-reliant by coming out of their society and house. Cycle wheel, here in this chapter, cycle wheel is presented as a mean as is used as a very large movement, where in those time where women in the male dominant society were not allowed to go out, and they are not allowed to do some work outside. So they cannot do their own work by coming out of their house. But the cycle movement through this wheel only, the self-reliance was awakened in them. So they started coming out, they started doing their own work by going outside of their house and society. So now after this cycle movement, what happened? Now the new freedom has been experienced or communicated in them, and the author also tells through this report that stereotype is spread in the society by chain, indicating that women has always been suppressed in the male dominant society. So in the male dominant society, they are not allowed to come out from their house and society. They cannot do their work, they cannot work somewhere outside. So it was there in the male dominant society. So they were having so many chains. If they want to do some new thing, if they want to start some new work outside, the chains are in the place. So when that oppressed woman decides to do something, then these chains are in place. So when these chains are in the place, what these women did, the women of the Tamil Nadu started cycling to break these chains, and a woman whose name was Fatima, she was a teacher in a secondary school who learned cycle, told the author. Fatima learned the cycle because she was very fond of cycling. So she learned cycle and told the author that people are stunned for cycling on her, but she did not pay any attention to them. She didn't even care what they are saying, what bad comments they are revealing on that cycling. She didn't even care. She started her way. An author told that Fatima was so fond of cycling. She was that much fond of cycling that what she used to do, she used to rent a cycle for half an hour every day, because the financial condition of Fatima was not so good, so she was not able to buy a cycle. That's why she used to rent a cycle for half an hour every day. Almost all of the women of this village used to ride bicycle. So Fatima, who learned the bicycle, she also give training to others also to how to ride the cycle. And along with Fatima, Jamila and Avakani, who was aged about 20 years only, they also trained some Muslim girls, some Muslim ladies, that how to ride a cycle, how you can become self-reliant by coming out of your house. And then what happened in 1992, as almost all of the women of this village, Pudukkottai village, used to ride a bicycle. Almost 70% of the ladies in that village have started riding the bicycle. So what happened in 1992? That was on a International Women Day. 1500 women took part in this International Women Day, and those 1500 women are only from the village Pudukkottai. So that was a big change after this cycle movement. So after this movement not only strengthened the economic side of the women, but it has also infused a new confidence in them. And men should not object to this. Anyway, men should not object to this. But if it is happening, then also the women also don't care about it. If it happens that men comment badly, they comment on the ladies who are riding bicycle, then also women don't even care about it. Let them do anything, whatever they want, let them do. We will ride bicycle, we will be self-reliant, and we will be independent. So students, I hope you all have understood this chapter, how this cycle movement have changed the life of the women of Pudukkottai. We will meet you in the next video. Thank you.